slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up, guys? Stuff back here once again, and today hopefully y'all can hear me because I got the fan running because it's hot as shit in my room right now and I'm doing like 4 reviews in a row. But yeah, hopefully you guys can hear me. And this is a review, of course. As you can see, I'm going to be reviewing the Dior saddlebag in black. Super clean bag. So before we get into the review, of course, if you're a new viewer of mine and this is the first video you're stumbling on, if you do like what you see and you're into these types of reviews and products, that sort of stuff, and staying up to date with fashion and shoes and kicks and all that sort of stuff, make sure to hit that subscribe button, drop a like for your boy on the video, turn on notifications, and last but not least, follow your boy on Instagram. Posted a sneak preview of this haul with this website. So this is from FKBiz. So a lot of people that do follow me on Instagram, there's like 800 views on my story daily whenever I post. They already knew about this, so they were notified ahead of time. So let's get into it, man. Not gonna take too much longer with this. This took quite a while to get here. Right now I currently recommend, if you're going to be ordering from any website that ships from China, definitely go for DHL shipping over EMS. I would usually do EMS just because there's no custom fees here where I live. With EMS it takes a little longer, give or take. It takes about a week and a half to get here with EMS once I get the tracking number, back before the pandemic. But now it's taking about a month plus to get here, so I'm just not willing to wait for that. I'd rather wait a week for DHL, which is slower than they usually are because they're usually 3 to 4 days after you receive tracking. But nonetheless, I'd rather wait a week and pay that $20-$30 fee to get my order. So yeah, so shipping is all the way. Came nicely packaged. Just actually came in bubble wrap specifically, so it's nice to see that. Did come double boxed and all that sort of stuff. So good stuff, good gestures on their part, great customer service, all this sort of stuff. So definitely good to see. And yeah, let's just take a look at this bag. Of course, I'm not going to take super long on this review, but I am going to make it pretty detailed. I'm going to go over everything. So this is a website. On the left you have FKBiz, which is a website I got this bag on, and everything else that I reviewed thus far. But they do have another site, which is ustarbiz.top, T-O-P. FKBiz.com, which when you enter it in, it'll go to FKBiz.top, whatever. But there are 2 different sites. They carry 2 different products, or they carry multitudes of different products, so keep that in mind. And then their correlating information is going down. So on the left you have FKBiz, on the right you have ustarbiz. So that's all their info. This will be minus the website links in the description, so if you can't read my writing, go ahead and look in the description as well. Sorry. And yeah, the coupon, there's a coupon, TV 2 for $7. You can save yourself some money on orders $200 and up. So yeah, got the fan blowing, so I'm gonna put the paper to the side on this side so it doesn't go blowing all over the place. But let's take a look at the bag finally, guys. So it didn't come in a box, nothing like that. Not sure if it's supposed to, frankly. But it did come in a little dust bag, which is just this regular black Dior dust bag. Nothing crazy, just says Dior on the front in white text. Not sure if there's anything else. Oh yeah, and then it came with this paperwork as well. So this just is an authenticity card. There's a little card that looks like a debit card in here. Just has some information. Not sure if it's accurate to what would actually come in this if you were to go to a Dior store and buy it, but yeah, I'm sure it would come in a box if you bought it there. Maybe, I'm not sure again. So that's all it comes with. Nothing crazy. This bag is super clean though. If you guys saw, I recently posted on Instagram a picture of just the fit pick, regular black fit pick with the Dior B23 high tops. And this bag, if I had this bag at the time, would have went fire with it, honestly. So even though the high tops are like a white Dior print, this is all black, so still would be fire. So yeah, this is pretty much the bag here. I'm gonna go over the strap real quick first. So this is the strap itself. You just got Christian Dior all over it. RIP to my boy Pop Smoke. Christian Dior going down the whole strap, so it's super clean all the way to the back of the bag. And then on this side you have the little adjustment loop. So for me, I gotta have it like maxed out because of how tall I am. Like I'm 6'4". I have a pretty broad chest and stuff, so have to have it maxed out. But you guys of course can adjust that to your liking. Then you do also have the buckle, which is always nice for just the way it looks. It kind of reminds you of an Oblique buckle, or Alex Oblique, however you pronounce it. It says CD on it right here, Christian Dior. Then you just unbuckle it by going like that and pressing out, and then just unbuckle. So pretty simple stuff. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to get this buckle back on video, but if not, I'm not even gonna bother. I'll just do it after. But yeah, there's the buckle. Then this part is connected to this little flap here as well, which is nothing really. So back of the bag, pretty simple. Whole bag just has this black Dior print kind of sewn in, if you guys can see the look of that. Don't know how well you'll be able to see, but it is kind of a sewn bag. Reminds me of like old school Gucci bags, that sort of material, if you guys know what I mean. Rest of the bag, front here you got these two little, I don't really know what they're used for, if they have a use or they're just decoration, but two little straps. Nothing crazy going on there, obviously. No major details on the front of the bag. There's no logos besides just this print. Here you open it up. This is magnetic. So you got that magnetic touch there. You can see how that clips in. Has a really strong magnet, actually, surprisingly, for how small it is. And then you just have a zipper going down here. Oh, I didn't even take the plastic out the zipper. It says Dior on the zipper. See how easy it'll be to unzip it with one hand. There we go, pretty simple. But yeah, inside the bag, oh, it's gonna be kind of a pain in the ass to show. I don't know how well y'all be able to see that, but yeah. So you got the Dior here, got the little metallic print on there. I think it says made in Italy. Let's see. I think it says made in Italy. Oh, I got a toonie in there apparently because I was using this bag yesterday, so it's nice to know. Oh man, it's a pain in the ass reviewing bags because I can barely get in there. But yeah, rest of the bag, pretty plain, simple, little storage space. Nothing crazy. Just has a little Dior logo. As far as I know, there's no extra pockets either. Yeah, no. Take this toonie out though. Throw it to the side real quick. That's $2 in Canadian for my fellow Canadians. Y'all know. But yeah, pretty simple bag, guys. Dope quality, really nice quality. Honestly, this is gonna be my summer bag for summer 2020, the coronavirus year. Just because it's simple, easy to wear, comfortable. The strap yesterday when I was wearing it, when I got it yesterday, because I got it and I wore it just to go visit some friends. The strap was kind of bugging me because I didn't loosen it up, but then once I got home, that loosened it up. Wasn't really bugging me, but at the time I was digging in my shoulder just because it wasn't adjusted enough, so keep that in mind. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Nice little Dior saddlebag. This one is for the men. They do have women's saddlebags as well that are just over the shoulder. They don't have this strap. Well, they do have a strap, but it's just a leather strap that goes over the shoulder. But this is for men, obviously. So yeah, guys, with that being said, hopefully y'all enjoyed. More heat on the way. I got one more review to do after this. I got some Prada Cloudburst Thunders, I think they're called, to review, and that's pretty much it for my day today. There's nothing else really to do, so stay blessed, guys, stay busy, stay healthy, most importantly during this time. And with all that being said, I'm gonna check y'all in my next video. Peace.